I'm back doing another video, making sure I stay in frame. I adjusted the camera where it's in front of me, so I hope I'm not screaming. So today I've got these little beads. They're frosted with little polished spots. We're going to make a pair of earrings. So I'm going to put a spacer. Got these. They're sort of like a bicone, but I guess they are a bicone, but they're I'm going to do like that. So, wrap it around. Still have a lot of videos I've made that I need to try to put them up. But I'm trying to work out what the best way is to make future ones. So they're in the floor. Don't see as good as I used to. I had optic neuritis back in 2016, I'd say. And I don't know, something just ain't quite the same after you do that. Vision just doesn't go back quite the same. So I'm just doing a quick little earrings to test my new angle on the camera. And who knows, it might give you an idea of something that you can do. Wrap it around. Or some young person might want to learn how to make an earring. You can just wrap it around and get it tight to there, but for security, so that you don't pull it apart, I like to wrap it around. And these are round, those pliers, and these are some little pliers I got at, of all places, Harbor Freight. And I like how little the tips are on them. I need to go back and get some more. Wish Radio Shack was still around. I had some good cutters from there that were really little. They get in everywhere, but or they're packed up in a box somewhere. Well, I can't get the end. I'm afraid I'm going to hit that black bead and break it. I don't think I have another one. Alright. As they say, that's good enough for us. Well, I hear the mechanic guys say it's good enough for the girls we go with. But since, yeah, my husband likes to watch different mechanical people on YouTube. Why in the world won't it cut? Oh, golly, that's hard metal. Well, I guess that was a hard wire. Alright. Now we're going to hook our ear wires on. Taught myself how to do thumbnails the other day. I'm learning. I guess you can teach an old dog new tricks. I don't know. I wonder if I had 2 head pins from different packs, because I've got some different ones. I hope I want an out frame. I like these. They'd look pretty in blue. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your week. Until next time, bye-bye.